Good morning, y'all. Got a big adventure starting up today. A whole new chapter of life. And man, I heard when you get old, they put you in a museum. You'll see what I mean. What's this all about so early in the morning? Let me show you. Yep, them big words. Well, we're gonna straighten some of that up, but that's where we're going. You ever walk into a place and think, wow, this place is familiar. Been here. Have I been here before? I don't think so. Have you been here before? You should. So one of the things you're going to notice here at the Texana Museum is that we've got stuff. Literally, there's stuff everywhere. Every nook and cranny, every spot you see. One of the things that I'm tasked with as a curator of the museum is to, let's make it presentable. Let's make it a little bit less clutteration. Yeah, is that a word? Clutteration? Well, if it was a word, it would be used here. One thing I'm going to do is do away with a lot of this ticky-tack, sticky-tack, junky junk, print out 100 pages and stick them to the wall. No, we're going to go modern. We're going to get some QR codes. If you want to know more about the thing you're standing in front of, you're going to see the title. You're going to see who donated, what year it came from right there. But you can scan the code, and then all of a sudden you can bring up all kinds of information. You want to tag that page, save it, share it to your Instagram, your Facebook, other social media platforms. You can do that. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of get things in an order. Let's put them in an order. How about we've got an area that's very much about, let me show you. We've got a very cool area. It's got everything from mastodon jawbones to original Karankawa Indian habitats. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's obviously awesome. All kinds of indigenous things. Talk about the legacy of La Salle here in the area. Did you know that the French explorer La Salle pretty much wrecked his whole get-up not too far from here off Carcitas Creek, Matagorda Bay area? Anyway, as you come into the beginning of the museum, you can see that here. But there are some things that we just had too much of, or we've got an overkill on. A lot of it's nicky-nacky stuff. Things that they're cool and all at an antique shop. But they may not be the pertinent things you want to see when it comes to the history of Texana. There's a lot here. I mean, look, there's a general store behind me. There's all types of spots in here that if you stop, pay attention, look around, you're like in a different place, a different time. So it's really exciting. What we want to do is accentuate that, make it even more exciting for the young ones when they come in. You know, when the young minds come in and they just see stuff everywhere, what's that remind them of? Their room, where they go in and everything's just a big cluttered mess. They don't remember where that stuff they've been looking for is. Oh yeah, big part of Texas history, especially in Texana. Pew pew. Come on now. Special thanks to Pastor David Murph for coming by and getting a couple shots of me on my first day. Come see us at the Texana Museum at 403 North Wells Street in Edna, Texas, 77957. We're open every Thursday and Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and every first and third Saturday of the month, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Hope to see you soon.